Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to look at how to apply themes to your Microsoft Word documents. Let's dig in. Okay, so here I am in a Microsoft Word document that I have already typed up, but now I want to apply a specific theme to the document. Now, applying a theme will change both the font and the color scheme of your document. To do this, we're going to go up to the Design tab. Then we're going to click on Themes. And as you mouse over each theme, notice that we get a preview on the document. So here we have a reddish look. Here we have a green with a different font style, and so on and so forth. And so when you get to one you like, you can go ahead and click on it. I'll go ahead and try out this green look. Now, you can also further customize your theme. Over here off to the right in the ribbon, you can click on Colors, and you can mouse over these different color schemes to see how that will look on your document. And you can go ahead and apply the theme you like. I kind of like this color scheme here. Additionally, I can click on the fonts drop down right here, and I can take a look at some other font types that will apply to the entire document. I'll go ahead and use this Corbel style. All right, additionally, we can customize our paragraph spacing for the entire document. We have no paragraph space, compact, tight, open, relaxed, double. And again, as you mouse over these, you'll see how it applies to your document. Underneath that, we have effects. In here, you can apply an effect that will alter any object that you have placed on your document. And finally, we have a Set as Default option, which allows you to use this look for all of your new documents. And boom shakalaka, my entire document has now taken on my customized theme. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below, and I'll see you on the next one.